Few days back, I was talking to one of my friend regarding accounting systems. When we were talking about accounting systems, gradually our discussion shifted to accounting software and gradually it shifted to Tally software. And after talking to that person for a while, I understood that he is under an impression that Tally software is meant for a grocery shop, and that to a very small grocery shop, and it cannot be used in case of manufacturing business or any type of big business. So I decided to record a video to make him aware as well as make all such persons aware about what are the capabilities in Tally software. Can Tally software be used for supply chain management? So today we are going to discuss about supply chain management in Tally. As far as supply chain management is concerned, I am going to discuss what is available in Tally. Today we are not going to see any type of Tally screen. I am just explaining the concept or what is available in Tally. There are three types of processes. Basically, in case of supply chain management, there are three types of processes. The first process is purchase process, second process is manufacturing process, and third process is sales process. We will understand what is available in Tally as far as these three processes are concerned. So before that, let us understand what is supply chain management. The definition of supply chain management is management of the flow of goods, data and finances related to a product or service from the procurement of raw materials to the delivery of the product at its final destination. So all these aspects are covered in Tally, and there is much more beyond this particular definition also. Purchase process. Let us understand what is purchase process in Tally. So in Tally you can record a purchase order with inventory definitely. After recording of purchase order, there will be recording of receipt note. Normally it is called as GRN, that is goods receipt note, and both receipt note will be connected with purchase order. If you record a purchase order along with the inventory details, all these inventory details will be captured in receipt note automatically just by selecting the reference of purchase order. You can select multiple purchase order in one receipt, it is quite possible, and at the same time you can create multiple receipt note for one single purchase order. Means you can receive the goods in installment also, or you can receive the goods of more than one purchase order in one single receipt note. Both the things are possible. Then we will record the purchase invoice. The purchase invoice will be connected with receipt note, that is GRN, goods receipt note. All the details in receipt note will be captured in purchase invoice automatically, and after that we will make payment of purchase invoice. So payment of invoice will be linked with purchase invoice. The payment will be marked as against reference, that is against purchase invoice. This complete purchase process is available in Tally, and it can be used very conveniently. Now it is the turn for manufacturing process. After purchase of raw material, we will start manufacturing. So what is inside Tally as far as manufacturing process is concerned? In case of manufacturing process, first we have already purchased the raw material. The raw material shall be issued to production floor from stores. Raw material shall be issued to production floor from stores. After that, there will be a step of conversion of raw material into WIP1, that is work in process 1. This is possible in Tally very conveniently. Now WIP1 will be converted to WIP2, work in process 2. There can be unlimited processes, WIP1, WIP2, WIP3, WIP4. Any number of processes, any number of levels can be added here. There is no limitation. WIP2 will be converted to finished goods. So after conversion of WIP2 to finished goods, then we will pack the material. Packing of material can also be recorded in Tally. There will be consumption of packing material automatically. After packing, the finished goods shall be once again transferred back to stores. This entry can also be recorded. This particular step can also be recorded in Tally. And then we will record the physical stock so as to automatically get the wastages in manufacturing. So physical stock will be recorded, and after recording of physical stock in production floor, the wastages will be recorded, and after that we will return the balance raw material to stores if it is not required now. So the complete process can be recorded in Tally very conveniently, very easily. Now sales process after manufacturing goods, the manufacturing of goods is over. Now we will have to think about selling the goods. Sales process. So sales process first of all includes recording of sales order. First of all, sales order from customer will be recorded, means customer's PO, purchase order, will be recorded as our sales order. We will record the sales order first, then after recording of sales order we will manufacture the material and we will deliver the material to the customer. This delivery note or delivery challan, sometimes it is called as delivery challan, but in case of Tally, the Tally uses the word delivery note. So delivery note will be recorded. After recording of delivery note we will issue sales invoice. Now it is not necessary to record delivery note, you can combine this particular step with sales invoice also, but if it is required we can add this step, that is delivery note. And after recording of sales invoice we will record the receipt of amount against the sales invoice. So this is also possible, and all the steps will be linked with previous step. Each and every step will be linked with previous step, that is delivery note will be linked with sales order, sales invoice will be linked with delivery note, and receipt will be linked with sales invoice. So the data will be captured automatically in the next step. You need not type the data, input the data again. Features available in Tally. What are the features available as far as supply chain management in Tally? Features available. First of all, we can define the production recipe. If we are into manufacturing of food item, this particular manufacturing of food items requires a recipe. It is not necessarily related to food items only, it can be applied to any particular thing in production. If we are combining 4 different items and we are manufacturing one particular finished goods, you can define the names of these stock items, names of raw material, as well as you can define the proportion, the quantity proportion of each stock item. So this will be the standard recipe for a particular product. You can have any number of recipes for any number of products. There is no limitation in Tally, and the manufacturing entry will be recorded according to the recipe. So automatically consumption of the pre-decided stock items in pre-decided proportion will be captured by Tally very easily. Secondly, there can be bill to bill accounting. All the sales bills and receipts will be connected with each other, all the payments will be connected with purchase invoice. So this is bill to bill accounting. You can mark each and every receipt against a particular bill, you can mark each and every payment against a particular purchase invoice, you can record an advance receipt against sales invoice, you can record advance payment against purchase invoice. So this is possible in Tally. You can do batch wise accounting. This is necessary for manufacturing industry. So batch wise accounting can also be done. You can create production batches and you can use these batches at the time of selling the goods. At the same time, you can use expiry dates also. Expiry dates are relevant in case of food industry as well as pharma industry. So expiry dates can also be recorded and you can get the report according to expiry dates. Multiple godowns can be created in Tally. Any number of godowns can be created in Tally. Cost tracking for any process is possible in Tally. You can track the complete cost for any type of process, sales process, and you can identify the profit in each process. Profit in each process can be identified very easily. You can set reorder levels for stock items, and at the same time you can set a minimum order quantity also. So reorder levels will be shown by Tally. The current balance, the shortages and excess will be shown by Tally according to the reorder levels. Reports available. What are the types of reports available in Tally regarding supply chain management? We can have sales order outstanding report according to the stock item, according to the party, according to the stock group, according to the group. It is available very easily. Sales order outstanding report. What type of sales order are outstanding currently? Then sales bill pending means we have delivered the material but billing is yet to be done. Bill is not yet generated. So sales bill pending report is again a very beautiful report where income leakages can be identified. Purchase order outstanding. We have issued the purchase order but we haven't received the goods as yet. So these types of purchase order according to the stock item, stock group, ledger and group also, it can be very easily obtained. Then purchase bill pending. We have received the material but we haven't received the purchase bill or we haven't recorded it. Again this report is available, purchase bill pending. Then movement analysis, where we can identify the movement that is inward and outward for particular stock item or particular stock group. What type of items are moving inside or outside the organization. After that, aging analysis for stock items, that is SKU, stock keeping units, is available in Tally. You can identify the old inventory which is with us, lying with us above 90 days, less than 90 days. This type of combination can be defined by us, 30 days, 90 days, 60 days, whatever it may be. You can define the aging period and you can do aging analysis. Stock query is a very beautiful report in Tally which shows each and every detail about one particular stock item. The last 3-4 purchases, last 3-4 sales to the different parties, the cost of manufacturing, where it is lying, rates of purchases, rates of sale, each and every detail will be shown in this particular report. It is a very beautiful report in Tally. So friends, if you want to know more about it, you can call on these numbers and you can get connected with us. This is our website where we have some free courses regarding Tally software, regarding accounting. So you can visit our website and you can definitely check these courses free of cost. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video and let us meet soon.